So if you got a 2012 Dodge Journey and you're dreading doing the rear struts, well, Dodge did something kind of good. If you look at this edge here, they've actually notched this, and what you do is you cut, to get at the top bolts of the strut, you cut that out. This has never been done before. And then that panel flips up, and then you have access to the top bolts on the strut, or the nuts, I guess. Where's the other one? Oh. Right there. So that's handy. See a lot of videos where guys are ripping out all this plastic and pulling all this off, undoing the seatbelt, taking out the back seats. So now they've obviously figured out that, hey, we should probably maybe make it a little more time consuming. The only reason why I was dreading doing this was pulling all this plastics off. So now that they've done this, that's pretty sweet. I don't think they did it on the earlier models, because like I said, I have seen videos where that's not there. So maybe they started in 10 or 11, but this is a 12, so obviously that further. Okay, once you got those top bolts out, or nuts off, you want to go down to the bottom, pull the wheel off, and then there's one bolt and one nut there, and those are 18 mil, I believe. Let's pull that out. That's it. These are really quick. Now 30 minutes. If you just went at it the whole time, easily 30 minutes you could do this. Using all power tools, of course. Okay, line this up. And then we get our bolt back in here. What's the torque specs? 3 Uggadugs? Let's do 4. There we go. Then what I'm going to do is put the wheel back on, and then this will kind of line up, which it already is. And then once you lower the vehicle down, you can slowly watch each side, get that lined up, and then that'll bring your top up, and then you can do the nuts on the top of the strut. There, not bad. So this is the other side now. So as you kind of bring it down, just get it enough that you got it lined up, and you might have to like give it a push and move it, which wasn't very difficult. Now I'll lower this down, and then we should be good to put the nuts back on the top. Now for the top, I was able to get that sucker on there, but putting them back on might be a little difficult. But a good tool would be a Speedy. These are 15 mils, so I'm gonna attempt to put the bolts back, or the nuts back on. I don't know if I'm gonna get that in there, but at least I got a Speedy. Thumb fingers in the road. Yeah, Speedy works good. There's no sense in trying to get that bulky cordless ratchet in there. Just use the nuts that come with it, hand tight all the way to the bottom, and then Speedy's your friend, and then you can tighten them up pretty good. Alright, just got to put, whoa, I'm upside down and all around. Put this sucker back in. This is just 4 10 mil bolts. Just like so. Get those in, and then the cover goes back on, and that's all she wrote. Thanks for watching my shitty videos.